Hello everyone, my name is Griffin. While I was bored at home, physics made my quarantine much more enjoyable. All this time I was wondering how will I not get bored at home. Suddenly I remembered that I have a violin at home and I started practicing it. It was really fun, and because of that I want to show how physics help in making the beautiful sound of violin. There are many types of violins such as double bass, cello, viola, violin and more. But today I'm going to focus on the violin. The violin has 4 strings in total. Starting from the left to right is G string, D string, A string and E string. These strings produce different notes, each having higher pitch than the other. An open string on G has around 196 Hz, D string on 293 Hz, A string on 440 Hz and E string on 659 Hz. The lower the hertz of a note, the lower the pitch of the note, which means that the G string produces the lowest note on the violin while the E string produces the highest note. Here is the formula on how much hertz the string produces. F is equal to the square root of T over M over L over 2L. As you can see, each string has a different mass. The G string has the biggest mass, D string being the second, followed by A string and lastly the E string. Before we play the violin, we must adjust the tension so it produces the exact note needed. The tighter the string, the higher hertz it produces. Then we can also press down on the board to reduce the length of the string. The shorter the length, the higher hertz it produces as such. You might be wondering, how does the violin produce such a loud noise? Well, the energy of a vibrating string is transmitted through the bridge to the body of the violin, which allows the sound to radiate into the surrounding air. Both ends of a violin string are effectively stationary, allowing for the creation of standing waves. A range of simultaneously produced harmonics each affect the timbre, but only the fundamental frequency is heard. The loudness and timbre of each of the strings is not the same, and the material used affects sound quality and ease of articulation. Violin strings were originally made from catgut but are now usually made of steel or a synthetic material. Most strings are wound with metal to increase their mass while avoiding excess thickness. That's all the time I have for today. I hope that you could learn something after watching this video. Feel free to find more things that physics can help in your life. Thank you for watching.